Hey guys, how to add screen recording to a control center on any iPhone. So as you can see right here, this is your control center basically, right? When you swipe up from your battery or Wi-Fi to, swipe it down, you're gonna be able, to see or drag it down, sorry, you're gonna be able to see the window of control center. That's called control center on your iPhone, right? And if you want to add or remove an item from your control center right here, you need to go to your control center, and then you're gonna be able to delete it. And the way to do that by going to your setting, and basically in the settings, you're gonna be able to scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see right here the control center. In the control center, what you're gonna do, you're going to be able right here to see the included controls: flashlight, calculator, screen recording, camera, low battery mode, and code scanner. So if you want to delete one of those items, or if you want to add one of the items, just go ahead right here and click that red button right here, and you're going to see a button will show up to you. Click right here to remove, and basically now you removed it. And now if you want to add another tool to your control center, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to click accessibility shortcuts, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media.